Amy, welcome to Tameron Honda. My name is Julius. I will be your product specialist on our Odyssey journey, okay? Now, the Odyssey is the highest awarded minivan in the market, okay? It's going to have the best resale value, best residual value, most options, most features. All we need to know is what color, what trim you need. We are land of the Odyssey. Any package you need, any configuration, we have. We got more selection than everybody. We sell more than anybody, and we have more buying power than anybody. Why else would you work with anyone else, okay? I'm here, we're here to help you. Help us help you, okay? Tameron Honda, home of the 250,000 mile powertrain guarantee. And look at vehicles like this, specifically the Odyssey. Gonna give you magic seats, okay? That's just one of the features that I got on this vehicle. I need more time to show you everything because there's so much on this car we can't explain in a short video, okay? Give me a call, Miss Amy. 205-835-7435 at Tameron Honda. You're gonna love the way you treat it.